You are sitting at home when your dog suddenly stops moving. It stares at an empty corner of the room. No sound, no movement. But your dog looks completely focused. You check the wall. Nothing is there. But the real answer is far stranger. For thousands of years, humans have watched animals do things that seem impossible. Dogs barking at empty spaces, cats staring into darkness, birds reacting before storms arrive. It feels like they are seeing something hidden from you. But your dog's strange behavior is not magic. It is a glimpse into a world your brain was never built to notice. Your dog experiences reality differently. And once you understand why, those mysterious moments start to make sense. A dog's world is not the same world you see. Your eyes are powerful, but they have limits. Human vision depends heavily on color and detail. You notice bright objects, clear shapes, and movement in the distance. Your dog has a different set of tools. A dog's nose is not just a better version of yours. It is almost an entirely different way of understanding the world. Inside your dog's nose are hundreds of millions of scent receptors, while humans have only a fraction of that amount. Dogs can separate individual smells in ways that feel impossible to humans. A single room that looks empty to you can be filled with invisible information to your dog. The wall is not just a wall. It carries traces. A mouse that passed through hours ago. A person who touched the surface yesterday. Air currents carrying tiny chemical signals. Your dog may not be staring at nothing. Your dog may be reading a story written in invisible ink. But smell is only one part of the mystery. Dogs also hear things you cannot. The human ear captures a limited range of sounds, but dogs can hear higher frequencies beyond human ability. That means a quiet room for you might not actually be quiet for your dog. A tiny insect moving inside a wall. A distant appliance making a high-pitched sound. A small animal outside the house. Your dog may freeze because something is happening, something your senses simply miss. So why does your dog stare at the wall instead of running toward the sound? Because dogs are also experts at attention. Your brain constantly filters information. Right now, you are probably ignoring the feeling of your clothes against your skin. You are ignoring small sounds around you. You are ignoring objects in your peripheral vision. Your brain does this because paying attention to everything would overwhelm you. Dogs filter differently. Their brains evolved around survival. For an ancient wild canine, noticing a tiny movement or unfamiliar smell could mean the difference between finding food and becoming food. A strange noise mattered. A new scent mattered. A small change in the environment mattered. Your modern dog still carries pieces of that ancient survival system. Your dog is not being weird. Your dog is collecting data. Think about the last time your dog suddenly looked toward the door before anyone arrived. It seems like a prediction, but your dog may have noticed clues long before you did. The sound of footsteps on the ground, the vibration of a vehicle, a familiar scent carried through the air. Your brain receives the same world. Your dog receives extra chapters. But there is another surprising reason dogs stare. Sometimes the answer is much simpler. Your dog might be thinking. For a long time, people underestimated animal minds. They assumed animals only reacted. They did not think. They did not remember. They did not understand. Modern research has changed that idea. Dogs are remarkably skilled at understanding human gestures, emotions, and communication. Dogs pay attention to you constantly. Your face, your voice, your movements, your habits. A dog staring at a wall may sometimes simply be processing information. Just like you look out of a window while thinking, your dog can enter moments of quiet observation. The wall becomes the place where attention rests. But there is an even deeper connection. Your dog is a product of thousands of years of partnership with humans. Thousands of years ago, wolves and humans lived separate lives. Then something changed. Some wolves became comfortable around human camps. Humans provided food. Wolves provided warning and protection. Over generations, the animals that understood humans best became the closest companions. This relationship changed both species. Your dog is not just an animal living beside you. Your dog is an animal shaped by your presence. The ability to watch humans, understand signals, and predict behavior became one of the most important skills dogs developed. Your dog looks at you because your behavior matters. Your dog listens because your actions contain information. Your dog watches because, in a way, you are part of your dog's world map. So when your dog stares at a blank wall, the mystery is not that your dog sees something supernatural. The mystery is that your dog sees a reality you cannot. A reality made of smells you cannot detect, sounds you cannot hear, signals your brain removes before you even notice them. The empty corner of your room may be empty to you, but to your dog, it may be full. Full of memories, full of information, full of a hidden world passing silently around you. And maybe that is the strangest lesson your dog can teach you. Reality is not just what you see. It is everything happening beyond your senses. Every day, your brain builds a version of the world. Your dog builds another. Both feel completely real. So the next time your dog stares at the wall, do not immediately assume your dog is seeing a ghost. Your dog might simply be reminding you of something humans forget. The world has always been much bigger than the part you can see. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with others, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.